The importance of your database can't be overstated enough. It is the backbone of your business. It can reside in DB2, SQL, or Oracle. In this free guide, we're going to demonstrate how to do a database refresh during an upgrade from 9.1 to 9.2 via the install and upgrade method using SQL Developer. First, sign into SQL Developer. Here's the 9.1 database comprised of testDTA and testCTL, the two schemas we're going to export from 9.1. Let's go to the View tab and then DBA. Once you click DBA, you'll be asked to sign into the database. Once you made the connection with the database, click Data Pump, then right-click, and you'll see Data Pump Export Wizard and Import Wizard. Click the Export Wizard. I'm going to show you a short demo of this in a few seconds. Following the screenshots in the guide, go to the 9.2 database, click the View tab and DBA and do basically the same steps, except this time use the Import Wizard and import the data that we just exported. Okay, now the demo. Click on View, click on DBA, click on right-click Data Pump Export Wizard, then Schemas, then Next. Then select the schema you want to export, testCTL, and move it to the right box. Click Next, and click Next, and Next again. And this is where it creates the export log. So you click Next here, and then make sure it has a meaningful name. And we're going to delete existing dump files, and click Next. And then you could schedule it, but we're going to do this immediately, and then make sure we give this a meaningful name, and then click Next, and then Finish, and then it shows you that the job is processing. So let's expand Data Pump and then expand Export Jobs, and you see the job is running, and if you click that, you'll get the status showing executed, and once that's done, the screen disappears. So now let's verify if the export completed. Let's go to the directory holding the logs, dbdump, and open the export data log file and take a look. So you can see that this is estimated, and if you go to the bottom of the file, you can see the export was done successfully. If you see any errors, you have to stop and troubleshoot it, of course. Otherwise, you are good to go. At this point, we copy all the files in the dbdump directory to the 9.2 machine. Start SQL Developer on the 9.2 machine and go to Data Pump and then Data Pump Import Wizard. Now provide the job name and then provide the name we used in the export, and then click Schemas and then Next, and then choose testCTL and move it to the right. Click Next, and then click Action if table exists and replace, because there may be files from the platform pack, and we could schedule it. We're going to take immediate, and then we're going to click Finish. So we check the progress like we did before. We see it's executing, and we keep hitting refresh until that screen goes away. And then let's take a look at the import log. You'll see there's one error. testCTL already exists, and that's from the platform pack install in 9.2. Down to the bottom, so there's only one error. We can ignore that error, so everything finished fine. Now go through the same process for testDTA, and once that's completed, go through the same process for your PY and PD environments, and that completes your data refresh for your upgrade. To get access to this topic in the guide, email us or leave a request in the comments section of this video. One final note, upgrades can be complex and daunting. If you would like us to help you with your next upgrade, give us a call. We'd be happy to help. That's all for now. Bye-bye.